What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is more of a special shout out to chibatterysystems. If you guys don't know, I'm running the chibattery Endurance 60 volt 60 amp hour battery on my Surron, and I actually shot a range test. I'll put the link up here. Today we got a special little goodie bag that chibatterysystems sent me. And then one thing that I wanted to finally put to bed is I've seen a lot of people mispronounce the name of this company. A lot of people say chi or chai. That's wrong. It's Chi, like Chicago, like Chi-town. So it's chibatterysystems. Even though they're not located in Chicago, they're next to it if I'm not mistaken. But that's the name of the company, guys. You can even hear the owner, Bara, say chibatterysystems in their installation videos. But that's the name. Now that we got that out of the way, shout out to Bara, shout out to Samantha from customer service, super awesome and friendly, and shout out to Brandon from customer service. Thank you so much for hooking me up with this goodie bag. I still haven't opened this up. I was waiting to make this video and kind of get excited with you guys. It's kind of heavy, so let's see what we got here. This is kind of a special occasion for me, so we're gonna be using the
Sword of the Samurai.
Let's see what we got here. Got this little pouch. We'll open it up in a second and see what's in it. See what else we got here. Another box and packing peanuts. We'll put that to the side. All right, move you back over here. Oh, nice. Looks like battery extension. Ooh, these are new ones. Let's open them up and see. Nice. So, oops, I'm not on screen, am I? Okay. So, new battery extension plugs. Interesting design. Interesting. I'll have to check that out. I still have the old style. And we also have the plug. So this is a pre-made plug that you plug into the Surron battery. Has the power cord going to it and this information plug. When you get a Chi battery, whichever one you get, there's only a power side to it, or power cord. The other plug on the Surron side, they used to ship with a little metal jumper that you plug into the female side of the plug on the Surron. Now they ships with this, which will make your life a lot easier. You just plug it in and it's already sealed up. Pretty cool. Have to check that out, definitely. Put that to the side. See what else we got here. We got like a t-shirt. So we got Chi battery, dope t-shirt. Is there anything on the back? Yup. Dope. Gonna rock that. Put that off to the side real quick. Ooh, we got a bunch of stickers. A bunch of little decals that you can throw on your bike. Powered by Chi battery system, and then the logo in various sizes. That's cool. Super dope. And then what do we have here? Oh, yes. So this is interesting. This is the new piece that also ships with their batteries. This goes into like that, if I'm not mistaken. And it closes the gap. Yeah, I think like this. And it closes the gap that creates when you extend the battery lid, there's a little bit of a space or a gap where the latch goes. So this seals up the whole situation and makes it look more streamlined and and like flush, I guess. I'll throw it on and see how it looks like. That's pretty dope. Pretty dope of them to do. All right. Now let's see what's in the other box. I can guess. I'm guessing it's by the weight. I'm guessing it's the charger, the variable speed charger. But bust out the good old
Sword of Samurai.
see what we got here. Oh yeah, definitely looks like the charger. Amazing. Oh my god, this is so dope, man. What a great company, guys. Shout out to Shy Battery Systems. Look at this, man. This is their variable speed charger that you can yeah, look at that, make it stop at 80, 90 or 100%. Amazing, guys. Then you can change right here, 2 amp, 4 amp, 7, 10 and 12. This is pretty amazing, guys. I'm so grateful. Unbelievable, guys. Again, shout out to Shy Battery System, man. Bara, Brandon, Samantha, you guys rock. You make it feel like it used to feel in America, if you know what I mean. Great customer service, great company, great people. Every time you send an email, immediate response. I'll definitely start using this with my battery. And then I'll have a spare charger. Awesome. Put this back. What else does it come with? The IEC cord. Yeah, it's called the IEC cord, if I'm not mistaken. To plug to the wall. Amazing. So yeah, that's it. I can't be more grateful. Thank you, Shy Battery System, for sending me all this stuff. That was awesome. Super awesome goodie bag. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys watching, and highly recommend Shy Battery System, guys. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.